Today we will be talking about the different systems or organ systems in the human body. The first organ system that we'll talk about is called the integumentary system. And that is a big fancy word to say skin and all of its accessory organs like glands, hair, and nails. The one thing you might not know about the integumentary system is it allows us to synthesize vitamin D, which is essential to our survival and maintaining homeostasis. You have to have enough skin exposed to sun to do this, and sunlight is essential in synthesizing vitamin D. The next system is the skeletal system, and it is composed of bone, cartilage, and ligaments. Ligaments are things that connect bone to bone. And it does exactly what you would think. It protects and supports body organs. It allows for a place to attach muscles. And it also is where we make all of our blood cells, which we will get to in the cardiovascular system. It also stores minerals, mostly calcium. The muscular system is composed of muscles and tendons. Tendons are structures that attach a muscle to a bone. And that allows us, the muscular system allows us to make sure that we can move, stand upright, do the things that we need to do. It also helps us produce heat. Muscles produce a lot of heat when they are contracting, and so that is why we shiver when we are cold. The nervous system is probably the most important system in all of our body because of the fact that it controls everything that we do. It is composed of the brain, the spinal cord, and all of the nerves that are going to run through. We will be touching on this at the very end of the year. It is very, very quick. You are able to make decisions very quickly due to your brain and the response. And it will respond to the environment, or allow you to respond to the environment when there is some sort of stimulus that you need to react to. The cardiovascular system is composed of the heart and all of the blood vessels. And the heart pumps blood throughout the body. The entire function of the blood is to carry or transport nutrients and gases throughout your body to maintain homeostasis. The lymphatic system is a system that we will not be talking about this year, or not be studying this year, but it is a very important system. It is basically your immune system. They call it lymphatic immune system, and it's composed of red bone marrow. Your red bone marrow makes all of your blood cells, and then a lot of different glands. And what it is doing is it is allowing your body to fight against infection if there is a foreign invader. The respiratory system is composed of your nasal cavity, your pharynx, which a lot of people don't know what that is. It's just basically the back of your throat. Your trachea is your windpipe, and then the bronchi are in the actual lungs themselves. And what the respiratory system is for is to allow us to exchange gases with our bloodstream. We need to breathe in oxygen so that we can exchange the carbon dioxide so we can breathe that out. Carbon dioxide is a waste product from cellular respiration. The digestive system, I think everybody has heard of, and we will be studying this year. It contains lots and lots of different organs that are listed in front of you. It breaks down food into parts that we can actually absorb into the bloodstream and use. And then it eliminates any sort of excess waste as feces. The urinary system is also a very important system. We are not going to be studying this year, but it is a system that is going to filter out nitrogenous waste from the bloodstream, and it's going to allow you to eliminate that in the form of urine. It also regulates your water, electrolyte, and pH levels in your blood. The reproductive system, I think we all know what that is. We will not be studying this year, but the function is to produce offspring. We are mammals, so we all have mammary glands, which are used to produce milk so that we can nourish our young, Men do have mammary glands, however, they are not hooked up to anything, so they do not produce milk. The endocrine system is a series of glands throughout your body that maintain your levels of hormones in your body and allow you to react to certain things at certain times.